Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up Wi-Fi and internet connection on Windows 11. Now if you're experiencing a bit crappy internet connection, I'm going to show you how to fix that one. There are a few things that we're going to do. First things first, go ahead and type here, view network connections. Click this one over here and make sure you select which internet you're using or which Wi-Fi you are using right now. This is mine right here. I'm going to go ahead and double click this one and click the properties right here, open IPv4, and then from here we're gonna do one thing here in the DNS. Now you can go ahead and change this one to Google DNS or to Cloudflare DNS. Now I'm gonna show you both of them. Now this is Google DNS. So 888 for above, and then below it's going to be 8.8.44. So yep, that's for Google. Now what if, say for example, we're going to use the other one. So we're going to go ahead and type here 1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1. So this is going to be Cloudflare DNS, and they also work really well. Now in my case, I have tried both, and based on my location, the one from Google is actually working very well. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. Hit OK. And the next thing that we're going to do is click this once again. We're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to go ahead and click configure. Now here in the configure button, you have advanced right here. Go ahead and choose that. And you're going to go ahead and choose where it says wireless mode. Sometimes this can be different depending on your Wi-Fi card or Wi-Fi adapter. So in my case, it's called wireless mode. And I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And there are going to be different options right here. Now, in my case, I've searched what are the differences between this, but I want to be able to use both 2.4 gigahertz and at the same time 5 gigahertz. Now, for 5 gigahertz, this is called AC, so this is what I want to use. If there is AX right here, go ahead and choose something that has AX. That's actually going to utilize Wi-Fi 6, and it's going to be a lot faster. Again, in my case, Wi-Fi 5 is the only thing latest available here on my PC. I'm going to go ahead and click this one and hit OK. Now, I could have chosen just that or just something that has Wi-Fi 5. The problem is I have some devices that utilizes only Wi-Fi 4 or Wi-Fi 2.4. For example, I have my mouse, the one I'm using right now. This only utilizes 2.4 gigahertz, and that's actually not going to be helpful if I just choose Wi-Fi 5. And yeah, once it refreshes just like this, you should be able to notice a huge difference in your PC speed or in your internet speed. And that, everybody, is how you're going to speed up Wi-Fi and internet connection on Windows 11.